Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In the previous year question series, let's today solve the question of thermodynamic relation. So, for first question, for a simple compressible system, PS, P, T are the V. These are the specific volume, specific entropy, pressure and temperature respectively. As per Maxwell relation, del P by del S is equal to. So first, first how to write Maxwell equation? So there is a simple rule. So how to write Maxwell equation without you can just generate by your own, write SPTV and like V by T. This U means negative, here more negative. So del V by del P, del V by del T at constant pressure equal to minus del S by del P at constant temperature. In this amendment, del T by del del T by del V at constant entropy equal to minus del P by del S at constant volume. If on this sign it is positive, so means you assume that this is negative and this is positive. Del V by del S at constant pressure, del T by del P at constant entropy, del S by del V at constant temperature equal to del P by del T at constant volume. So the del V by del S at constant pressure, this is this one, del T by del P at constant and del T by del P at constant entropy. So for an ideal gas, the value of the Joule-Thomson coefficient. So the formula for Joule-Thomson coefficient is mu, which is the Joule-Thomson coefficient, equal to 1 by Cp, 1 by Cp T del V by del T at constant pressure minus V. So you know that for an ideal gas, it is Pv is equal to RT. So del V by del T at constant pressure is equal to R by T. On substituting this, the result come out to be 0. So for an ideal gas, the Joule-Thomson coefficient is 0. Then question number 3. The fundamental thermodynamics relation for the rubber band is given by yeah. T is the absolute temperature, entropy, surface tension, length. Which one of the following is correct? Which one is correct? So the thermodynamic relation is generated using this and given this is the equation and the term thermodynamics relations are given using this M and T, and then on substituting this the result come out to be T equal to this one and T. So, so the answer is this one, means at constant L means B1, but but and this is not this is not through Maxwell equation. So this is come out from Squar's theorem. So the answer is B.